I have here a diamond painting coaster set, and it has a holder with it. So I'm gonna take everything out, show you what it comes with. It comes with all the diamonds right here, the little tray and the pen, and it comes with all the coasters right here and the little back pieces to go on after you get these done. So on these coasters, you can see the numbers. This is going to correlate with the little diamonds that you'll put on. So you can see the numbers on here really well. They're easy to see and easy to follow what to do. So you can see on the bag, this says 13. So on here, it says 13. So this is the diamond I'm going to want to use right here. So I'll dump out this bag and do all the 13s. And then I'll find the next bag for the next number. So this is really fun. They are all different coaster designs, so they're gonna be really fun to do. I'm gonna pick one and show you how to do it. So to start, I'm gonna pick one of the numbers to start with. I'm picking the outside number first, so I got 11 here. So I probably don't need to dump the whole thing out. I can just dump what I need. And then I can set this aside or put another baggie. And then I'll take this pen, and this wax, I'll put at the tip of this, and the wax will stick to the diamonds. So it's super easy to use. You just push it down. If you need more, you just push it again until you have what you need inside it. And then I can take my coaster here, and there's a sticky film that I'm gonna peel up. So you can see it has a little film on it. So if you want to just do part of it at a time, you can just leave it on and then flip it back down if you want. Or if you want to do the whole thing at once, you can just take the whole thing off like this. And then I can set it down and I can get to work. So now I'm going to stick it on the diamond. I will want the shiny part up. And then I will stick it where it says the number 11 right on top. So I just got this one coaster done. It was really fun to put it together. It looks really, really pretty. So the next thing I would do is just put it down the ground and kind of just push them on, make sure they're all sticking on and not gonna come off. And then you'll take this other coaster back, flip it over, stick it on the back here, and then you'll have a nice spot you can protect your furniture with. So you just take the little plastic off and it will be sticky, and then you just stick it on the back. And then it's done and you can use it for your coaster. So it's really nice. It has a coaster holder, so after you get them all done, you can stack them. I only got the one done for today. So when I want to use it, it's really easy to set down, and you can put any kind of drink on top of it, and it will protect your furniture from getting ruined while having something really pretty to set it on top. So these diamond painting coasters are really fun. They are super, super pretty. They'd be really great in any household. They're really fun for kids to do, adults to do. So I'd recommend them to anyone that likes diamond paintings and want a fun function for it at the same time.